The instructor in this video is Mark Y. Calabdan. He graduated at the University of San Carlos as a biologist and is currently finishing his doctorate degree in biology. Sir Mark will be demonstrating on how to prepare the medicinal plant for home remedy use. And the highlights of the video tutorial are as follows.
And the most relatable across all DOH approved plants is your bawang or your Allium sativum, okay? Alright, and it's very easy. For a home remedy, you can eat this raw, okay? You simply have to remove its shell, its dry shell, okay? And you can eat this raw. While others can be applied as, it has antiseptic property, but the most important use of garlic, it is anti-hypertensive property, okay? Because it has an active compound we call as allicin that has the ability to neutralize or basically soften your atherosclerotic plaque, the one that will increase your blood pressure in your blood vessel. This can be eaten raw. Others, especially in this antiseptic preparation, you simply have to remove its shell part here. I'll just use one clove, but you can use as many and crush it, okay, and apply it as topical application, okay? So you simply have to crush it. And then this one here, this paste here, you can already apply that to your open wounds, or perhaps as you may wish, you can eat this as well, provided that you are using a clean mortar and pestle. Okay, another preparation is that you can cook this as well. You can fry this. Okay, it's very easy. You simply have to fry this because this is a very important flavoring, no? Typical flavor across all Asian in Asian nations as koan. So you can eat this in its cooked form as well, or in parts of your menus and your dishes. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's for garlic. Okay, again, eaten raw. Okay, either crushed or cooked properly.